Are you dreaming of starting your own fish farm but don't know where to begin? Do you want a profitable agribusiness that brings returns and impact? Look no further. We've got the perfect package to help you get started the right way. At Fako Aquaponics, we provide complete fish farm installations for aspiring and existing farmers across Ghana. Whether you are new to aquaculture or want to scale up your current setup, our package takes the grassroots out and gives you a professional, ready to run fish farm tailored to your space and budget. We don't just install, we equip, we train, and we support you every step of the way. So, what's in our complete fish farm package? Our fish, our complete fish farm package. First, you get a full installed tarpaulin pond system. This could either be a 1,000 capacity pond or a 500 capacity pond or any capacity depending on your budget and space and also your preference. You will also receive high quality fingerlings to stock your farm immediately. No need to search elsewhere. We also provide you with a strong filtration and aeration system, also known as RAS. That's just like what aquaculture system to help you maintain clean water, reduce mortality, and grow your fish faster and healthier. You will also get a scooping net and other basic tools you will need for daily operations. A starter bag of quality feed to kickstart your farm as you transition to your feeding routine. And most importantly, we don't just build and leave. We include mentorship and farm management training to help you succeed. You will learn how to manage water quality, feed your fish properly, reduce losses, and maximize profit. The full 1,000 capacity package is available at just 10,860 Ghana cedis. If you want to start smaller, the 500 capacity option is also available at just 8,860 Ghana cedis. No hidden charges. We deliver, we install, we stock, and we train all within a few days. Why do you choose us in the first place? We have on hand experience building and managing fish farms in both rural and urban areas. Our systems are affordable, efficient, and designed for high survival rates and faster growth. Whether you are in the city or in a remote village, we bring the solution right to your doorstep. We don't just build farms, we build farmers. Your success is our goal. So if you have been thinking about starting your own fish farm, this is your opportunity. Send us a message now to book your installation or call us directly to speak with us. Our contacts are on the screen. We serve clients across Ghana. Wherever you are, we'll come to you. Remember, we have limited slots available each month, so don't wait too long. Turn your dream into reality with a complete fish farm setup by Fako Aquaponics. Let's build our farms together. Let's build our future and let's build our bonds at the right time. Thank you so much.